Sir, y'all hear that motherfucker? It's Chico Supercharged LS out there, bit. What's up, brother? Right. Yeah, finally got with him. Did a little remixing on that thing. I see you done added some touches.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Alright, so what year we got?
89.
89, the last, well, almost the last year. 90 was the last year, right?
Yep.
LS. What made you do the box?
It's just my favorite car.
Is it? Okay. I done had 5 of these bitches, bro. Really? Growing up, hell yeah, I had 5 boxes, bro. This your first one? How many you had?
Yeah, I had a few.
You had a few too? Sitting on them 8s. This your favorite one so far? This the one you did the most to? Yeah. I would think so. Shit. The way the game done went now, motherfucker wasn't doing $40,000 motors. Damn, back then. So we got the 89. This green got a name, or it's just custom green?
It's lime gold.
Lime gold?
Yeah, candy lime gold.
Oh shit. Candy lime gold. Did the bells? Okay. What else? All right, and you got the CTSV motor, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Straight out of lag.
Well, no.
Or is it built? Okay. Oh shit. So it's a little extra then. On that.
Yeah, I just got to repaint.
I love the color though. sounds so great, man. God damn.